Hey, thanks for tuning in. This is Kyle with Kyle's Car Vlogs. So today we're going to be going over the 2007 Mazda 3 that I purchased off of Nextdoor. I heard on Nextdoor that someone was selling their house as their parent had recently deceased, and they wanted to get rid of this car. So as you can see in these listing photos, it looked pretty good in the end. And you might be wondering, why does it look so darn good for a Minnesota Mazda 3? Because if you know anything about this generation of Mazda, they tend to rust out. But also, as you can see, this car had just 42,000 miles on it when I purchased it in 2019. So I just did a little bit of a cleanup on the interior, which took me about 2 hours, so it didn't take me too much time. And if you look in the wheel well, there's no rust or anything right there, which is a common spot for these cars. Back seats looked virtually untouched, which as grandparents' cars, they usually aren't used too often. This was a Mazda 3 Sport, I believe. So as we're continuing to go around the car, we can see a little bit of a flaw in the paint, and that is because the car was egged, and it did sit on it. So as you can see, there's a few spots where the clear coat had come off because of sun fade or whatnot, and also the headlights did fade away. So I upgraded those. That didn't take me too long either. That was about an hour, and that's just because I had to pull the bumper off and replace the headlights. And there we should be able to see the undercarriage, which is pretty clean, and the engine, because who doesn't like to see an engine bay? But this is the last photo I have of the Mazda 3. This is at the DMV, where I was able to sell it the day after I listed it for $6,000. If you remember, I purchased the car for $3,800. I bought the headlights for about $150. I spent probably 4 hours cleaning it, putting the headlights in. Otherwise, I just drove it around and tested it for a week or so. But yeah, I was able to make a little bit of a profit on that car in just a short amount of time. All right, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more content. Thank you.